Energy is the essence of life and a precious resource that is in growing demand. Most, if not all of it, will be derived from renewable energy sources, including solar power. Photovoltaic systems are the most convenient method for that, but they must be safe, like any other electrical system. Introducing the MI3115 PV Analyzer, a versatile electrical safety tester for photovoltaic electrical installations with a maximum system voltage of up to 1500 volts. The MI3115 offers accurate measurements of electrical parameters and environmental data, such as irradiation and module cell temperature. All electrical measurements are done next to an inverter or a combiner box and start with connecting the tester to the selected string. It's easy. All you must do is select a measurement procedure. Press Start and evaluate the results on-site or in the comfort of your office. Your MI3115, your choice.